Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV and want to go ahead and mirror and share their screen on their iPhone onto their Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first things first, you want to make sure that your iPhone and your Samsung Smart TV are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi. So in order to do that, you would swipe up on your iPhone, find the settings tab here, and just check which Wi-Fi network that you're connected to by checking right over here. On your Samsung Smart TV, you would click on the home icon, and then you're going to navigate to where it says settings, which is this button right over here. And then you're going to navigate to where it says general, and then you're going to click on network. And then from here, you can click on network status to see what Wi-Fi you're connected to, or you can change your Wi-Fi network by clicking on Open Network Settings. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to scroll down under the same tab under where it says Apple AirPlay Settings. So click on Apple AirPlay Settings, and then on this page here, you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on, okay? So it's this button right over here. Now the next step that you need to do is that on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and swipe up and unlock it, and then swipe down on the bottom, on the top right-hand side, and then click on screen mirroring. So here is where you're going to see a list of devices on your iPhone. So this second option right here is my Samsung Smart TV. So if I click on my Samsung Smart TV, you'll see that my iPhone is now sharing its screen to my Samsung Smart TV. Now, if you go ahead and open up an app and then turn it horizontal, you'll see that the entire screen is now auto-filled with the horizontal orientation of my iPhone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share screen on iPhone to Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.